Here's the new Kia key, and this one has the remote start, buttons here on the edge, and basically to take the battery out, there's a little button right here. You kind of have to press it kind of deep in there, and you can take out the physical key. And you won't need any tools to get to the battery because they have the end of the key fits right in here. So you'll notice there's a space here that lines up with that metal piece, and then there's a space here. Don't use this space, use this space. So you kind of put the key in like so, right in there, and then you pry up, basically, just pry up on that, like so. So it looks like that. And then you can take this cover off, and you'll notice that the key, or the battery, is on the opposite side there. So it actually takes the battery out when you do this. And you can see the circuit board here. It's pretty cool. Don't touch it. It has a seal across the outside there. And to replace the battery on this side, you just simply grab it and pop it out. Now, if it doesn't just pop out easily, there's a little space right here. Small flathead screwdriver works perfect for this. You can just reach in there on this little dimple and you just kind of pop it up like this. And it is a CR2032. And the numbers and everything goes down like so. And then you pop it in place. Make sure it snaps in good. And then when you put it back together, you just basically lay it on top and press it in there. Try to avoid pushing the buttons, but just press it in there and make sure it's flush. See how this right here is not flush? Got to make sure it snaps and is flush all the way around. And then you put the physical key back in. And then you're all done. It does feel like a solid key. And it works fairly well. And it's easy to find the lock button here. Solid feeling, kind of bulky, but it's a pretty good key.